In this series of videos, I'll provide easy to understand hints, hacks and tips to get the right affordable smart home solution for your home. And stay with me to the end of this video for your first pro tip to help you save cash and future headaches now when transforming your home into a smart home. So right now in Australia, it feels like there's a new home automation solution being launched every week. So a lot of homeowners are both spoiled for choice and suffering paralysis by analysis of all the different systems available. Now, a smart home really is a home that uses the right technology to achieve what you and your family want. What a smart home should not do is remove convenience or introduce barriers to do the day-to-day things you need to do, or incur a lot of expenses to constantly update items to make them work. So where do you start? There's lots of choices. Start imagining the outcome you are trying to achieve with your smart home, and understanding what level of smarts is possible within your budget before you start is critical. What systems in your home are you going to automate and integrate? Sometimes it is much easier to speak to Alexa or a Google Voice assistant and ask them to close your blinds or turn off your lights and get the house ready for a party just with a single voice command. And sometimes it's best when these things happen automatically on a schedule. So do you want to enhance your lifestyle, make your home safer, save energy and real money, or maybe you just want to show off to your friends? Pro tip number one is that not all smart plugs are created equal. Now, smart plugs are everywhere. Walk into your local big box department store or electronics retailer and you can buy a smart plug. And a smart plug is one of those devices that plugs into your regular power point, and from an app you can then control things that plug into it. My recommendation right now is don't buy these yet. I know they're only 20 or 30 bucks, maybe 40 or 50 for the good ones, but you really do get what you pay for with smart home products in build quality, future, functionality and reliability. Without understanding how you can communicate to these smart plugs and how these devices connect and interconnect with your future smart home systems, you could find yourself wasting time and money setting these things up now and find out that they're either not compatible with your future smart home solution, or perhaps they're just really unreliable. So smart plugs have a place, especially for smart control of floor lamps and table lamps, Christmas lights, mobile device chargers, even coffee machines and toasters. And a well-designed, feature-rich smart plug is an ideal way to make dumb things smart. Keep watching the rest of these videos and come on this smart home journey together.